Think your car is safe just because you lock the doors? Think again. Every year, thousands of accidents, hit and runs, and parking lot mishaps go completely undocumented, leaving drivers frustrated and unprotected. But the right dashcam can change everything. Whether you're commuting, running rideshare, or just want peace of mind, having clear, reliable video evidence can save time, money, and headaches. Today, we're breaking down the best budget dashcams of 2025, comparing features, performance, and value so you can pick the one that really suits your needs. All the links are in the description so you can check them out while you watch. Number 6. Ever wondered how much difference a true 4K front and rear dashcam can make on your daily drive? The ssontong 4K Wi-Fi/app control dashcam with its included 64GB card is built for drivers who want confidence and safety without spending a fortune, and it delivers with a 170-degree front and 140-degree rear lens that captures every critical detail from license plates to road signs, all enhanced by a Sony Starvis sensor and night vision for visibility even in pitch-dark conditions. This dashcam shines for accident evidence, rideshare drivers, or anyone who simply wants reassurance on the road, pairing high-resolution recording with convenient Wi-Fi connectivity to the Viofo app, so you can view, share, and manage recordings straight from your phone. No card removal required, though some users do mention the app can feel a bit clunky compared to pricier options. Loop recording ensures old files are automatically overwritten, and the G-sensor locks important clips during collisions, while parking and time-lapse modes add extra protection when the car is unattended, though for continuous 24/7 coverage, a hardwire kit is needed. Build quality is solid yet compact, discreetly fitting behind your rearview mirror, and while the 64GB card is sufficient for moderate driving, frequent commuters may want to upgrade. Number 5. Looking for dual 4K coverage with a serious feature list without breaking the bank? The TERUNSOUL 4K plus 4K front and rear dashcam packs a punch with Ultra HD 3840 by 2160 resolution on both cameras, paired with 170-degree wide-angle lenses to minimize blind spots and capture every crucial detail, from distant license plates to tricky road signs. And with Super Starlight Night Vision and WDR, nighttime or low-light conditions are surprisingly clear. Unlike many budget cams, it includes built-in GPS to log speed, location, and route data embedded in videos, giving your clips strong evidentiary value for insurance claims, while a 3-inch IPS screen allows quick setup and review directly on the device. Add ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi through the TERUNSOUL app, and you can instantly transfer footage to your phone without removing the memory card, a convenience that many competitors implement less efficiently. Loop recording automatically overwrites old clips, the G-sensor locks footage during collisions, and 24-hour parking monitoring with time-lapse adds extra protection when parked. Hardwire kit required. Real-life users praise its reliable performance, excellent clarity day and night, and easy installation, though some note minor app connectivity issues and display visibility in bright sunlight. Number 4. If you want excellent low-light performance without spending a fortune, the ROVE R2-4K Dual might be your perfect match. Recording 4K 2160p at the front and crisp 1080p at the rear with 150 degrees and 140 degrees wide fields of view, it captures everything from license plates to surrounding traffic. And the front Starvis 2 sensor improves night clarity dramatically over many mid-range dashcams. A free 128GB card gets you started right out of the box, expandable up to 1 TB for longer trips, and the 3-inch IPS screen makes playback and on-device setup intuitive, while built-in GPS logs speed, location, and route for detailed evidence. Fast 5G dual-band Wi-Fi up to 20 megabits per second allows smooth downloads and app control, which is a noticeable advantage over slower Wi-Fi models, although some users note occasional connection hiccups. Loop recording, G-sensor locking, and 24-hour parking mode with motion or collision-triggered recording offer robust protection, though continuous surveillance requires a hardwire kit. Compared with higher-end models like the Viofo A229 Pro, the ROVE R2-4K Dual trades slightly in imaging refinement for affordability, but still provides strong daytime video and useful safety features. Its compact design fits most windshields discreetly, making it a solid choice for commuters, family drivers, and road trip enthusiasts who want a capable dual-channel dashcam without premium costs. How important is night video quality to you? Drop a comment. All the links are in the description. Number 3. The REDTIGER F7N P4 K-Dashcam front-rear is perfect for drivers who want high-resolution coverage from both directions without breaking the bank. Featuring a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, an f1.5 aperture, it captures clear 4K video at the front and 1080p at the rear, while 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle lenses minimize blind spots and maximize road coverage. With WDR/HDR processing, night and low-light recordings are balanced and sharp, capturing license plates, road signs, and fine details that many budget dashcams miss. Built-in GPS logs, speed, route, and location data, while 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi with up to 20 megabytes per second downloads enables quick transfers to your phone through the REDTIGER app, though connectivity can occasionally be finicky. Loop recording automatically overwrites older footage, G-sensor locks important clips during impacts, and 24-hour parking mode with motion/time-lapse provides additional security when parked, hardwire required. The included 128GB card and supercapacitor power design ensure reliability and heat resistance. Number 2. Sometimes simple is better, and the Galphi 4K dashcam front proves it. This compact, single-channel camera records 4K UHD at 2160p with a 160-degree lens, delivering detailed footage without unnecessary complexity. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables fast transfers up to 8 megabytes per second, letting you view, share, and manage videos directly on your phone. And the included 64GB card makes it ready to use immediately, expandable up to 256 gigabytes. Despite its small size and screen-free design, the dashcam doesn't skimp on features. Loop recording and G-sensor locking protect important clips, super night vision balances low-light exposure, and 24-hour parking monitoring requires hardwire, adds extra peace of mind. Compared to other mini dashcams that use 1080p or slower Wi-Fi, the Galphi stands out with sharper video and quicker smartphone transfers. While it lacks a display, its simplicity and performance make it an excellent choice for budget-minded drivers, commuters, and rideshare operators who want reliable evidence capture without fuss. How much do you value compact design in a dashcam? Comment below. All the links are in the description. Number 1. Imagine having a full 360-degree view of your car while driving. Front, rear, and both sides, all in stunning 4K UHD. That's exactly what the Driveye 4K 360-degree dashcam offers with its 4-camera setup, built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and voice control, providing complete vehicle monitoring and multi-angle recording that leaves no blind spots. Front footage is captured in 4K, while side and rear cameras record at 1080p, and large aperture optics with night vision ensure clarity in low-light conditions. Loop recording automatically overwrites old clips, and the G sensor locks collision videos in place, while 24-hour parking mode keeps your car monitored when unattended. Hardwire required. Though installation is more complex due to 4 cameras and wiring, the setup rewards you with unparalleled coverage for rideshare drivers, fleet vehicles, or safety-conscious owners. Compared to dual-channel dash cams like the Mio 5S1 Ultra, Drivey's 360-degree system captures more angles and offers hands-free voice control, though at a higher price and with a steeper learning curve. For anyone serious about vehicle protection, this multi-camera solution provides peace of mind, convenience, and advanced features at a surprisingly reasonable cost. Could you see yourself using a 360-degree dash cam? Let's hear your thoughts. All the links are in the description.